fantastic.
The sound's unbelievable. The shifting, so fast.
This engine, weight is a monster. It's a killer.
You can't compare something jewelry with piece of made in Germany, and with the engine, the noise is like washing machine, and the chassis is like the E-Type.
Impressive, very impressive.
Mind-blowing. I've been with Jag for a long time and I've never experienced anything like that.
其实刚刚试过了 V6来讲，我觉得对于女性顾客在城市使用的话，它已经能够完全满足女性的需求了。
Yes, amazing. You think the car live? Yes, wow.
Yeah, now we drive the V8 with 495 horsepower. Yeah, I can only say it's the devil.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. I take him to Germany. You can get my fly. I go with the car.
Feel the full power. I was full of adrenaline right now, so it was very, very fantastic. Good feeling.
It's so great. The engine, the noise is beautiful, and the gearbox changes so quickly. It's just so easy to get the feeling out of it. I love it.
I think it's a really sporty car. I mean, we have a Jaguar sport car. It's great. It's great to have a sport car going around, going to customer. I think it's lovely. I mean, Porsche, they have to watch out. Here we come.
Yeah, handling and good speed and good sounds. Yeah, perfect.
It all comes together now. Why you guys brought Porsches here, and I can understand why. Because this makes the Porsche look like a toy.
Engine cornering very good.
You know, the only thing I can say, I'm proud to work for this company. That is a new benchmark for sporting cars, that's for sure.
Well, here's my experience. The V6, remember, was an operatic musical note. This is Led Zeppelin. This is like Def Leppard. It's a monster. Gobs of torque, gobs of power, nice noise. It's a car you steer with your right foot.
不能跟我们的车比，不能跟我们的车比。
From a price and a balance point of view, this will probably be the car. But I'm not getting out. Bye.